Welcome to Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. If you're new to crypto or want to enhance your trading experience, this is the platform to explore. Binance offers a sleek and intuitive interface, supporting a wide range of cryptocurrencies from Bitcoin and Ethereum to smaller altcoins. To get started, create your account on Binance by clicking the link in the description. After signing up, explore the dashboard where you'll find options for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. The Markets tab displays real-time prices and trends, helping you make informed decisions. For users interested in passive income, Binance Earn provides various investment opportunities, including staking, savings, and liquidity pools. Binance trading tools cater to all levels of expertise. From the simple buy-sell feature for beginners to advanced trading charts with customizable indicators for pros, there's something for everyone. You can fund your wallet using fiat currency via bank transfers or credit cards, making it easier than ever to start your crypto journey. The secure Binance Wallet ensures your funds are protected with top-notch encryption and multi-factor authentication. AD integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. For users interested in trading, the spot market provides access to a variety of pairs, and the futures market offers leverage trading for higher returns. Binance also boasts a robust educational section, Binance Academy, which is perfect for learning the basics or diving into advanced topics like blockchain technology and DeFi. With its strong security measures, including SAFU, Secure Asset Fund for users, to protect funds in emergencies, Binance ensures peace of mind for every user. Don't miss out on its mobile app, which brings all the platform's functionality to your smartphone. Sign up now with a link in the description to enjoy your welcome bonus and start trading smarter on Binance today. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials and crypto tips.